Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss about a few points on cyclones. So let's get started. Natural disasters can happen at any time and any place. Cyclones are violent storms that are accompanied by rain, thunder and lightning. Cyclones happens rarely in the southern hemisphere, but when it happens, it can kill thousands of people and can demolish lots of buildings and properties. Cyclones are also termed as atmospheric disturbances. A cyclone is capable of disturbing normal life and in a lot of destruction to a place. There are various types of cyclones depending on the type of prevailing low pressure system, such as tropical cyclones, hurricanes, tornadoes, etc. The main keynote point to remember is cyclones rotate in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and they rotate in clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Cyclones are not only present on the earth, but also they are spotted on various planets like Mars, Jupiter and Neptune. The great red spot on the Jupiter is the hurricane which is going on from 340 years ago. And also the great black spot was spotted in the southern hemisphere of Neptune. Cyclones are so huge that it can cover over half of the United States, and it can happen in the time of few seconds to possibly 1 to 10 minutes. A special extreme kind of cyclone that is only 300 yards, that means 274 meters across, is a tornado. We must note that all cyclones have an eye in the central part of them. The eye is the center of the cyclone and it is the only calm spot of it. The cyclone's winds always spiral towards the eye in counterclockwise direction or in anticlockwise direction. A cyclone blows in the form of small circles, but it moves in different directions. Cyclones may can last for days or even weeks, having out to sea and often moving erratically. An average cyclone life cycle is 9 days. The greatest and the largest cyclone is Typhoon Tip, known in the Philippines as Typhoon Warling, which is one of the largest and the most intense tropical cyclone ever recorded. So finally, the impact from cyclones extends over a wide area with strong winds and heavy rains. However, the greatest damage to our life and property is not from the wind, but from the secondary events such as storm surges, floodings, landslides, and tornadoes. So these are some of the main points about cyclones I want to share with you. I hope you all are watching this video. So if you like watching this video, please like, share and comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, thanks for watching. And also, I hope you will all support me for better videos further. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.